Okay, so I've done the quilt-as-you-go, so jointing two blocks together. So at the front it will look like this, and this is just by machine. And at the back, so this is how it looks like. So we have a larger pieces at the back, and we just fold it, and I've ironed it down so that when we fold it, it should be easier for us to actually just stitch that on top, the other side. So I'm going to show you in this video how I do this, because some of you were asking in the last tutorial. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do that. So basically I'm using a blind stitch. So I have my thread and my needle, and I'm just going to start from one corner. I'm just going to pop that in, and I'm going to take a small bite. It's really tiny bite, and I'm going to move my needle underneath that, so it's going to be hidden towards one area, towards the front area. So I'm basically moving it, and it's hidden, moved. So I'm just going to take a small bite there and pull it, tug it in, take a small bite, and then again moving from the backs at the back, hidden, keeping all of this just like that, and take a tiny bite, again tugging it in, and then move it again and just take a really tiny bite like that. So the smaller bites you take, then it's more hidden. So basically this one I probably can do better with that, but it gets better as you practice, and it's a bit harder to do on camera as well. So just basically just take a really tiny bite. So you want to be moving underneath inside to the other new position, and then when you tug it in, see that's hidden, so you can't hardly see those two. And then just take a tiny bite again and moving it forward. You keep doing this until you completed the whole line, and you basically have a hidden stitch, and the binding or the join is basically good at the front and also at the back. Now you can do a machine stitch as well, but I just feel like the machines, you can't really hide the machine stitch, so you'll have a machine stitches visible on this side. So if you want to do it machine stitch, I would recommend you to actually pin all of this side, and then you basically stitch in the ditch on this side and have it that, you know, you'll have your stitches on this. But I don't like that look, so that's why I'm opting on to go with a hand stitch, and I'm doing the blind stitch. So I find it's easier if I'm facing it like this. So this is across my knee, and this is towards my body. So as you can see, you can hardly see the stitches. So as you sew, you have to tug it a little bit. All right, I hope that helps. I'm just going to continue this and finish this off.